Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to do division quickly step by step. Start by identifying the dividend and divisor, estimate the quotient with easy multiples, subtract, and bring down digits as needed. Use compatible numbers and rounding to check estimates without full calculation. Break big problems into smaller steps and keep columns neat to avoid mistakes. With steady practice, you will reduce time and increase accuracy using these simple techniques. In this video, I will explain how to do division quickly step by step. Try breaking dividends into friendly chunks like tens or hundreds to reduce cognitive load, then divide and recombine results. Use rounding to make quick checks and correct estimates with simple adjustments. Practice multiplying suspected quotients to validate answers fast. These mental habits save time on tests, homework, and real-world calculations. In this video, I will review how to do division quickly step by step. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes studying on the go easier, so you can practice division tricks anywhere with comfortable reading and long battery life. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you do division quickly step by step. For long division, estimate each digit using familiar multiples, write them down, subtract, and bring down the next digit without hesitation. Keep columns aligned and cancel simple factors early to reduce work. Use quick multiplication checks to catch errors immediately. With guided practice, you will complete long division problems faster and with more confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.